Let's make sourdough granola. Start by adding your sourdough starter, honey, vanilla, and melted coconut oil to a mixing bowl, stirring well until it's nice and glossy. Next, add your rolled oats, chopped nuts, and a sprinkle of your favourite spices, stirring well to make sure everything is evenly coated. Spread the mixture tightly onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper, pressing down so there are no gaps. This helps to create those crunchy clusters we all love. Bake low and slow for about 20 minutes. Once it's golden and toasty, let it cool completely, then break into chunks and toss through some dried fruit. Store your sourdough granola in an airtight jar. It'll stay fresh and crunchy for weeks, perfect for breakfast or snacking straight from the jar. If you're looking for a simple way to use a lot of your sourdough discard, this sourdough granola recipe is quick and delicious.